Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to change dimensions unit. So for example, I will create a rectangle with a dimension 20 and 20. Now use dimlin to create dimension linear. And if you want to change dimension units, you can type D to open dimension style manager. Click modify, and then you can click primary units. For unit format, you can change it, like I will set into architectural, and click OK. Close. The dimension unit will be changed into the architectural in inch. You can change again by type D, press enter, modify, and then you can choose unit format to change the dimension unit. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial, how to change dimension unit. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.